Roadside America, making dreams come true for affordable prices for me and you. Hi everyone, it's Valora and I am here in Oviedo, Florida, where they are doing the Goblin Market. Will has been doing it for a while. He really likes it. He trades things and there's vendors and stuff. I don't really know too much about it, but we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna have a really good time, hopefully. Alright, so this was filmed in January 2025, you know, current year. For me, at least. I don't know when you're watching this. Apparently, they overgrew, and this was at their new location. This is the huge line of people waiting out in the 90-degree heat to get inside. So this was filmed prior to that. This was at the Oviedo Mall. I think the overall mood is a lot more positive here. So this is what I'm going to be talking about. I don't know the Goblin Market that exists today. I don't live in Orlando anymore. I am a tourist now and I'm observing, and yeah, this is what I found. So this was a unique experience. That's a lot of outdoor shopping. It's like a craft market for people who are into kind of anime and Lolita and that kind of stuff. But this is Will's thing, so I'll let him explain.
Goblin Market is a monthly art market where you can buy, trade, or barter, and it's a lot of fun. You bring all the stuff that you want to trade with people. You have to see if the person is going to be able to trade, bundle, or bargain, or do anything else, and you check out their stuff, and if you want any of that stuff, then you try to trade or barter with them. They usually have those green signs by every booth, and that's how you know if you can trade or not with them.
Oh yeah, Michael's here too.
Hi.
There are just so many vendors here. Lots of little knickknacks. Everybody's kind of dressed up. I feel like I'm not goblin-y enough for the Goblin Market. And it turns out I was not goblin-y enough for the Goblin Market, but that's okay. We still walked around and saw what it was about. So a lot of this video, I don't do a whole lot of speaking. I do a lot of observing. And I just kind of wanted to make that clear here in the beginning when I had an opportunity to. So yeah, I am just viewing, going around, seeing what's up. So I'll shut up now.
I'm kind of basic. I just really like that.
So people are kind of cosplaying a little bit. Got some furries. This is very popular. I don't know what's in here. Oh, this is the trading tent, right? Okay. So people just come with things to trade to the trading tent.
You want this cocoa thing, Michael?
Will is in the zone in this video. And I can't say I've seen him in this kind of form in a while. And once he gets there, he didn't care what else is going on around him. So he doesn't really interact with the camera. He doesn't interact with me. No one else exists in this world except for Will and his bargains and his things that he wants.
Carry on my food for today. Yeah, he's kind of cute.
This is so big. There's so many people. I lied. I'm still talking. I didn't remember how much licensed music was being blasted throughout durations of this video. So if you like Tupac's California, go listen to it on your own time because I'm not playing it in this video. So this is the trading tent. There are just tons of people standing around in this tent, because what do you do in the tent? Well, you trade. So you trade with the trade masters. That's what I'm calling them. They're the people inside of the tent. So everything displayed out on this table is stuff that they are trading, and they are willing to negotiate with you and what you brought, whether or not they are looking to trade for that specific item or not. So they give you a yes or no answer. I'm bad at explaining stuff, so let's go back to the video. Still walking around, seeing all the other vendor booths here at the Goblin Market. So we are here at Lazy Maid Studio booth. Got a lot of cute stuff here. And it looks like Will's a fan. I said it looks like you're a fan.
There's some cute stuff.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, he'll Satan. We'll love a little Satan print. I like the little devil baby.
Oh, I see. It's black and white and green. Yeah. This is like magnets. Oh no, that one fell out. This one was. Oh, okay.
So lots of cute stuff in this booth. Oh, this is cute. Furby's on a couch.
No, it's okay. I had someone else ask me
Loves
about
it.
today, and I'm like,
The little Kirby. Barbie Kirby. Her Barbie. You can see the little Kirby.
Are you saying Kirby?
Furby, yeah.
It's Furby.
Furby. Sorry, my bad. Furby. It's all the same shit.
There's a Kirby.
Is it?
Yeah.
oh, I didn't even make it to that side of there. Yeah. They have Cult of Man stuff.
My brother plays it.
Does he?
Here, have a shark.
They want to give you a little present. A shark tooth.
A shark tooth for you because I love you.
Wait, what shark is going around off Goblin?
So we have a lot of clothing in here. Not too much.
That can be dangerous.
Yeah.
It's just like whipping around. You have the metal at the end.
talking.
Or plastic. It's a plastic at the end. wasn't on anybody's list that we're.
Which I feel like I saw that.
You're like the only person who's engaged with the camera today. Right? Oh, do you want me to like interview you a little bit?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Rye.
And what are you selling?
I am selling handmade props. I
Okay.
primarily work with EVA foam. Currently, I've got a bunch of these Lego Star Wars blasters that I made.
Okay.
But I also do commissions for bigger, cooler stuff, such as helmets, armor, bigger weapons.
Cool. Do you have an Instagram?
I do. Rye the Builder.
What is it?
Rye the Builder.
All right. Awesome. Well, thank you.
Take care.
This is cute. It's a real dog party.
And I've been doing like lots of trades too. Like,
That's like, okay, so there's a Bloom over there because Bloom is not my favorite, but I love Bloom. Yeah. Little stinky self. And I drew it, nobody was buying it because it seems like you're the only one that likes Bloom.
Hello.
I saw that dinosaur thing. I'm like,
I would just go inside.
Monster High girlies. We've got a little Bayonetta. Love that. This is so cute. Let me try to get the name of the.
how much? How much is it?
So this is Sleepy Tofu. Totally
I will
cute
definitely
stuff.
keep that in mind for when I'm doing my rounds again.
No way.
Yeah, of course.
You definitely have the best booth.
Oh, thank you so much. That means a lot. Thank you so much.
Yeah. All right, so that was the Goblin Market. So if you live in or around Orlando, Florida, or you're traveling here, definitely check it out. There was a lot of cool stuff, and I had fun. Saw some really cute people. I got a long Furby, which I am a fan of long Furbies. Let's see if I can really get him in there. There we go. Yeah. That's gonna go with pretty much everything I own. I don't think I need to buy anything else for the rest of my life. So here's everything that Will and Michael got at the Goblin Market. They got a lot of stuff, and a lot of it Will traded for. I don't know if Michael did, but he ended up with a pretty good haul too. So if that's something that you're into and you are in Orlando, Florida, check out the Goblin Market. Again, I don't know what it's like now, I don't know if they resolved the issue with the long line and the new location, but the Goblin Market that I went to was fine. It was also in the winter, so the weather was a lot more fair. So yeah, Goblin Market, Orlando, Florida. Go there! Thanks for watching. So, what did you think of the video? Leave a comment and let me know. And make sure that you're subscribed to the channel for more interesting roadside destinations in America. See you soon!